Hi, welcome to Unit 5, Types of Chemical Reactions. This is a Think Aloud for the online resource that you could choose to use when choosing your learning for this topic. So the purpose of this Think Aloud is to sort of give you an idea of the things that you could or should be thinking about while you're reading this. And the reason why we're doing this is because we've not spent a lot of time reading online text, so I want to help you get familiar. And I'm just going to think aloud the things I would think about if I was approaching this text. So let's begin. All right, the first thing is when I'm approaching a text, I try to sort of skim it first. And as I'm skimming, I'm looking for a couple of things. First thing I'm going to look for to see how long it is. And I think it's always a good idea to sort of scroll down to see how much am I reading here? How much time is this going to take? All right, this doesn't look too bad because I see a lot of pictures. So I think this will probably take me maybe half hour, 45 minutes maybe, if I wanted to fully understand it. Okay, so now I'm going to skim it again. This time I'm going to skim and look for headers, which are shown in this light blue color, and focus on some outcomes. So I see types of chemical reactions. Great, that's what we're learning about. I have my learning outcomes here, and there are two of them. First says to classify a reaction, classify to type it by a certain type. And then you'll give me a list of these things like combination, decomposition. I'm not sure what those are quite yet, but okay, let me just skip that for now. Then it says predict the products. Okay, I've heard of products before. And then it says and balance. Okay, so maybe that will become more clear, and it's balance for combustion. So that may be clear later. All right, so let me sort of continue skimming. I see combination reactions. Wait a second, I saw that up here. Combination. So maybe these are the types. So they're dividing it now into the different types of combination, decomposition, single replacement, and then double replacement and combustion. Okay, so there's like 5 types here. I also noticed that I have these sort of equations in each type, so I guess they're examples, and then some images. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like images. All right. All right, so now that that's gotten started, let me read this intro paragraph.